up fam, it's Wyf CaityB back in the building with yet another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama and we only react to polys or just Nesians in general. So for today we're going to be reacting to some Melbourne brothers based in St. Albans, and they're called 30 Set and this track is called Checkmate. Yeah, so shout out to the boys up in Melbourne, St. Albans. Yeah, I'm not too sure if you know, the 30 Kings boys are going to be in this or are part of the actual group, but I guess we'll find out. Before we get into this video, I just want to say if you're new to our channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you want to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there or click subscribe at the bottom, and please don't forget to click that bell to keep notified when we upload videos for you guys. So for today's PolyMovement poly businesses, we're wearing hood clothing. Hood clothing is based in the south of Melbourne.
It's located the south of Melbourne, yeah.
Yeah. So they see, this just shows like a how versatile they are with their gear. So they have hood clothing like this, but it comes in different colors. I have like a forest green, they have red and all that jazz that you guys can check out. They also have the OG, so I think this is what they started off with. They have red. And for today we're also wearing Under the Bird. Under the Bird is based in New Zealand. She does earrings, a lot of accessories, gift sets and all that jazz, along with, you know, cups that have Fia Poko if you guys want to get it for your parents or your I'll get it for mum one day, but yeah, I'm joking.
It's my Fia Poko, that's why you were born.
But yeah, thank you to everyone that's requested, appreciate it heaps fam. Let's get into the track. Hey, it says section 60. Free the Northwest. Interesting. Damn, I don't know what if it's section 60 or a different one. I see 364, yeah, the Craig Burn. Damn, okay.
It is subject to monitoring and recording. The Alofa says this call to be redirected or be part of a conference call. If you do not wish to accept this call, hang up now. If you understand the conditions of this call, please continue.
For the fucking soldiers from the yard, he looked for the 401s, for the 2 for the North 6, for the North 3.
Yeah, the Summersby.
That 30 Set, this reminds me of 300 or the writing, eh?
The movie.
Yeah.
Sparta.
I'm really liking the effects and the writing that he's using, like the
font.
Yeah, the fonts, yeah.
Oh, it does.
Yeah, that does, eh? Damn.
Sparta.
Jesus.
Yeah,
the song would be.
Our brotherhood, we don't talk, we take it out to war. They speak about their movements, but they never show no checkmate. They say that they're ball runners, but they never run that ball straight. I hold it down for my hood. No west, that's good. Number one, number west, I recommend you don't test. I hold it down for my set, no hesitate to them friends. Them blokes there, they talk a lot on the net. Face up in person, we send them back to the ends. I back them back to the 23, been running to school since 14. Putting her gym for the OT, your job is done, it's on repeat. H&F, that's the go, never leave my bro alone. I rep the west side, till I ball it, rockets roll, we own it. My brothers that have no remorse, they leave them dogs crawling. They talk this, they talk that, but they'll never ever walk it. What calculate rep the air without no tactics, they're plastic, I'm active. When I say a statement, I back you. I'll hunt any dog that's urgent. Dogs get busted verbal. They run it up, but they all fall back now.
They he's got the happy face.
Yeah, like I can't take him seriously.
Yeah.
Like he's rapping, but he looks like he's smiling all the time, like joking or
like
something.
it's not serious.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
This is just fictitious. It's not real.
Yeah. It's
Well,
just I
it's
think
not,
it's just
yeah.
his, like he's got a wide,
like a joker. Like
yeah.
he's,
And ran it down and I'm like, is he smiling or is he serious?
yeah, I don't think.
Yeah, I can't take him seriously. Yeah. I thought it was just me. I was just like, nah, I don't want to say.
I was just thinking, oh, I'm going like this, and then I'm smiling to myself. Like,
And I'm like, should I smile or I don't know. Damn, okay, been running the hood since 14, eh? Okay. Damn.
how old do you think he is there? I reckon
18.
Yeah, 18.
He looks like he's younger than me, but he also looks like he's around my age or older, but like, it's hard to tell with people, eh?
They run it up, but they all fall back now. Target got squid lurking. New figure to my haters, that's dirty. Big love for a fan, that's worthy. You touch one, you touch all. That's the goal under the 30. Time and place, not kidding. My side is risky. Blokes out there getting limpy. Come the area gon' miss you. Numbers on me, I'll never fall. My brothers are dead with lethal cold. This cop that must be soldier on. West Side Melbourne is well.
Like how they're saying, I guess sort of like, obviously if people are coming there and trying to cause trouble, like how they're saying people coming there to urge, then I understand when you sort of, you know, like fight back, like, oh, you know, why are you sort of like starting trouble coming into our hood? Like, you know, just stay in your area, don't cause no trouble and all that shit.
Need an intervention with these young ones, man.
So I sort of get where they're coming from when it comes to that. And I guess checkmate means like an eye for an eye, what I'm thinking.
No, checkmate will kick you out.
They speak about their moves, but they never show no checkmate. They say that they're ball runners, but they never run that ball straight. I hold it down for my food.
Intimidating.
Knock, who is it? MI30 coming in with the district, yelling who did it. Well, lad, I did it for the gang on the 30 mission. Been switching lanes and conquering, my team up, never folding. We set the bar, bellied in the carpet, bank get cash by the Escobar. Hey, say nothing new, we know who's loose up the score, but Ops got luck, that's all loose. Leave them odds questioning like Blues Clues. They talk a lot of that chit-chat, this, that. Run it up when I dip that, like or jet lag from these roundabouts. They riders, they run laps. We run it up, never retreat. Dirty district, no defeat. From the west of Bird City, running up on ops from a beat. I know chef, but my team's gotta eat. Not from Miami, but lad, I'll bring that heat. If it's me, I'll relate that clip and let that kitty ring like. They talk, we take it up to war. They speak about their movements, but they never show no checkmate.
There's a lot of yelling and stuff like that. Like I could still hear some of that yelling noise when the second guy started rapping. I found it hard to hear. I only sort of heard what he was saying when they sort of died down. But there's a lot of hype B.
Oh yeah, true. That's how you scare the ops. Just yell at them.
Yeah, I heard it. Damn. Mind you, I'd be those guys sitting in the restaurant too, looking outside and seeing all these boys. Like,
Just seeing them walking past like that, doing that, I'll be going, oh the fuck, get in there. You know, just chuck you out there just in case guns or some shit comes out.
Yeah. Did you really have to gongy me like that?
No, that was light. This is how it goes.
Damn, but far, yeah, it's just really hype throughout the whole song. It's sort of
It's good though, they got that vibe, you
100%.
know, they're putting their all into a clip.
Yeah. And they're probably
sometimes
happy, you know.
it sounds overpowering, like with the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's a bit too loud sometimes.
Yeah, the scooter was a bit, no, I mean, sorry, no, the bike was a bit
The oldies
loud.
bike sound.
And yeah.
Yeah, but no doubt when they're in the studio and they're doing this, they're like, yes, you know, hyped up because, you know, they have brothers that are, you know, really going into the music game and stuff like that. So definitely understandable.
Yeah. Be better you guys off the streets than on it.
100%.
Focus on the music.
We take it up to war. They speak about their movements, but they never show no checkmate. They say that they're ball runners, but they never run that ball straight. I hold it down for my roots. Melbourne West, what's good?
I see they've sort of stuck with that. I see they've sort of stuck. Hey, Samoa on top. I see that they sort of stuck with the Mexican type beat or something when it comes to 36-4, someone from CaityB.
Yeah, of course they would. And some more again. Yeah.
Hey,
Fair.
I feel live, man. Come on, guys. Yeah, it's nice. I was hoping to see some familiar faces, but it's not like I know much people around here. So it just shows how much polys there are. Hey,
So
in spaces where you don't think there are. Oh, obviously St. Albans is definitely populated with islanders, but damn,
so many polys here in Melbourne, in Australia
alone. Like, it's amazing watching clips and just seeing a whole, you know,
like where the hell did you guys pop out
a whole
from?
state of boys in one clip, and it's
but you don't see them when you're driving around.
Yeah, you barely see them around. Damn, it's crazy.
Like ever since we came here in 2016, all the polys have been in isolation.
Yeah, hard out. Because, you know, it's not like we can go out much, eh? Unless you're a rebel. Oh, yeah,
the
man.
push.
The straight! Cops are gone!
This is a trap house takeover, little bitch.
Trap house.
Let's say, boys!
Loyalty.
That looks like
loyalty.
CaityB. Hey, so sort of looks like old CaityB that
that mall.
Yeah. Oh, it was alright. The track wasn't too bad. Yeah, I felt like it was a bit too hype at times. But yeah, like how we were saying, the first guy, I honestly couldn't take him seriously. But he's probably one of those. I look like
Silent Boala.
Yeah, I had it. But yeah, I sort of the vibe's alright. I thought there was gonna be like 3 guys or something. I feel like the clip was quite, you know, simple. And, like in terms of it looked quite grainy. We haven't been to St. Albans much, so it doesn't really look familiar to us. Probably besides the train station. It sort of reminds me of The Message.
When did you go to the train station?
Didn't we go past it? Oh. No, I think, no, because it looks like every other train station. That's why. Yeah, our train stations are not that, you know,
unique.
Everything looks the same.
Anyways, yeah, well, you've already heard what I had to say. There's room for everyone in the music industry. Not much room for drill. If you understand where I'm coming from, is
because you do get tired of it.
Yeah.
Everything sounds the same. It's a genre where everything's the same. The topics are the same. If you're sort of, you know, talking about your life in general, then I guess, you know, it's understandable. You're talking about your life. We can't change nothing about that, but
no. At the end of the day, you do you. As long as you guys are staying off the streets. Visuals were a bit.
Yeah, it felt like a needed improvement. I felt like the text, like the fonts were sort of better than the visuals. No offense.
It's because I just couldn't stop looking at the colour. Like they must have been wearing a navy blue jacket, but everyone else was wearing black, and it just came out a lot green. And
yeah, it looks very greeny.
Contrast was very,
yeah, like you sort of tinted the video clip.
But I just kept looking at it.
And maybe it was meant to be like that. They were trying to create like a Melbourne type of feel. You know, it has
drill feel.
Yeah, drill, and you know how Melbourne has that dark, overcast type of feel as well. You guys know that guy. I rated it a 6.
I give it a 6 too.
Please subscribe to 30 Set on YouTube. Check out their socials as well. We'll definitely be checking out their socials too. We'll have in the description box below for you guys to check out. I'm not too sure if they have other music, but if they do, we'll definitely love to check it out. Shout out to our brothers in St. Albans. Yeah, definitely keen to see what you guys have next, you know, dropping or anything like that, whether it's the same vibe or different. Still supporting either way. And yeah, don't forget fams, our Poly merch, Poly businesses. We have here Hood Clothing. We'll have them all in the description box below for you guys to check out. And get you guys some gear too, please fams. Not too sure if they can send it out of state just because we're in lockdown at the moment. So
Melbourne's just...
Yeah, it will definitely be a delay if you are wanting to order something from Melbourne in general.
Don't expect it too soon.
Yeah, 100%.
Even stuff coming into Melbourne.
Yeah, will definitely take long, yeah. But yeah. Other than that, much love fam, stay safe and see you guys on the next video. Bye!